Joy from techno-lo-joy, and today I'm going to show you how to install and run Raspbian OS on Raspberry Pi. All you're going to need is a desktop or a laptop, a HDMI Screen, 8 GB or more SD card, a HDMI cable, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, else a USB keyboard and mouse will also do. And the main thing you're going to need is a Raspberry Pi and its 5-volt power supply. Here I am using Raspberry Pi 3 Model V. We need following software during this process, and here I am using Windows 10 OS and will be using all the softwares compatible with Windows 10 OS. The first one is 7-zip, then SD card formatter, and then Win32 disk imager. Please find the link for downloading Raspbian OS image file in description. Let us start with formatting the SD card through SD card formatter application. Select your SD card here and click on Quick Format and start formatting. Yes. As you can see, our SD card is formatted. Now, since the SD card is formatted, let's move on to the folder where I have already downloaded the Raspbian OS file, for which the link is already given in description. As you can see, it is a compressed file. Select it and right click on it. You can see here 7-zip option and click on extract here. As you can see, our image file is extracted. So let's flash it on our SD card. For that, we need to open Win32 disk imager. The Win32 disk imager is now open. We need to select the device. Is selected, and now we need to select the files that we need to flash. We are going to select this file, then open. Now we have to click on write. Yes. Now it will start to write the image file on the SD card. As you can see, our write is successful. Let's take out the SD card. And insert it in your Raspberry Pi. Let's give it some power. Select HDMI. As you can see, Raspbian OS is now booted. Connect your mouse, keyboard and Ethernet and you are ready to play with it.